So in this tutorial, we'll be learning the techniques of fixing an invisible zipper perfectly, and also how to fix your zipper footer to your sewing machine. So this is the bodice where I'm going to fix my invisible zipper. So you can see I already made a stitch where the zip is going to start on my bodice, and the stitch was 3.5 inches. So I'm going to get my zip. I will measure 2.5 inches on my zip. I will mark that point on my zip. I will make sure that this 2.5 inches that I marked on my zip will match up with that 3.5 inches stitch that I made on the bodice that I'm working with. Can you see? So the essence of this technique is just to give a space where the zipper head is going to go into. So when I match up these 2 points, the 2.5 I marked on my zip and the 3 inches I marked on the bodice, you can see that I have excess of 2.5 at the upper part of the zip while fixing the zip. Okay, so you can see that the zipper head is not obstructing the stitch I'm going to make on my zip. So if I had matched up exactly, if I had matched the zip exactly from that 3.5 inches on the bodice, the zipper footer, the zipper head, not zipper footer, sorry, the zipper head is going to obstruct the nice stitch I want to make. Okay, so the technique here is that you make sure that you have excess at the upper part of the zip where the zipper head is going to go into while you make your nice stitch on your zip. Okay, because if you match that point exactly on the point where your zip is going to start on your bodice, the zipper head is not going to allow you to make a nice stitch. It's going to be looking tacky. Okay, so this is what I learned while fixing a zipper footer, because the first one I made was kind of tacky. I have to come up with this technique and it really worked. So I'm going to mash up the zip on the crease line I made on the center back. So the next thing I want to do is to fix the zipper footer. So the zipper footer I have here is the left-sided zipper footer. If you are getting a zipper footer, you must make sure that it's left-sided zipper footer. That is, when you fix it on your machine, this small hole you are seeing here is going to be facing your left side. That's what I mean by the left-sided zipper footer. So in order to remove the presser footer and fix your zipper footer, you are going to get your screw and you are going to screw that knot anti-clockwise. Okay, what I mean by anti-clockwise, you should be going on this direction. Okay, you are going to see a picture for a clearer explanation of what I mean by anti-clockwise. Okay, so for you to be able to lose this knot, you are going to screw this knot anti-clockwise. Okay, make sure it goes anti-clockwise. So when you remove the presser footer and add your zipper footer, you are going to screw it clockwise in order to tighten it. So you should note these 2 points. If you want to loosen up a knot, you should screw it anti-clockwise. If you want to tighten it up, you should screw it clockwise. Okay, so here is a picture of what I meant by anti-clockwise and clockwise. This will give you a clearer explanation of what I meant. So I'm going to tighten the zipper footer I fixed already in a clockwise manner, and we are going to start fixing our invisible zipper. So you can see that the head of the zip is not obstructing my stitch. Okay, so I'm just arranging the zip in order to sew it nicely, and you can see where the head of the zipper goes to. It goes to that excess of 2.5 inches that will mark at the upper part. Okay, so another thing I want you to learn here is that when fixing your invisible zipper, you must open up the zipper teeth. You must open up the zipper teeth, like you must shift it very well. You must shift the zipper footer to the zipper teeth very, very close, so that it can be able to close after you must have finished sewing it. If you sew it like a normal zip, it won't close. You will see it will be like a normal zip. So you must open up the zipper teeth and shift the zipper footer very close to the zipper teeth so that it can look like an invisible zipper after sewing. Okay, so I'm done with one side. I'm going to fold the excess of the zipper and we are going to go to the table to arrange the other side. So what I'm actually doing here is to mark both points of the zipper stopper. I'll make sure that both sides of the zipper stopper matches up. Then after that, I'll go to my sewing machine and continue the sewing. So that is all about the technique in sewing, fixing an invisible zipper. Okay, make sure that you use your hand to open up your zipper teeth. Use your hand to open it up and shift the zipper footer very close. Okay, so this will give you the results that you are looking for. But if you are just fixing it like a normal zip, then it won't close up. It won't look like an invisible zipper. So make sure you use your hand to open up the zipper teeth just like you are seeing me doing. So we've come to the end of this tutorial, guys. If you find this helpful, kindly give this a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, share this video. And all right guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back. All right guys, have a nice time. Bye.